What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video in Python as fast as possible. Today we're going to be covering for loop iterations that are separate from ranges. So last time we covered how to print numbers from 0 to 100 by adding the value of x by increasing it from 0 to 100 and having a list of that. So I don't have to type out 1 to 100. I can just use a for loop to get all the numbers within the range of 0 to 100 and add that to my list and print it out. Now we're going to discover how can I print out values in different lists. Well, we can have a list like this called names. Just going to put something random here, Jennifer, Polka, then Bezos, okay? And then I'm going to have a second list called ages. And I'm just going to say 20, 22, 47, okay? Or let's just make this 52 or something. Okay, so clearly I have a list of ages and a list of names and a list of ages. Now the thing is, we have three in each, right? So we're corresponding Jennifer to be 20, Polka to be 52, Bezos to be 46. Now I want to print these names and ages right beside each other. How do I do that? Well, I could just do this, print the names, right? And then I could print the ages. Oh, as you can see, what happens is we get then all the names and all the ages separately printed in another line, right? Because by default, Python puts a \n character, which means a new line. We already covered this in a previous video. So instead of doing that, I want to be Jennifer. I want to be like this. Sample output is I want Jennifer 20, Polka 52, Bezos 46, right? So I want the name from each and the age from each, right? Well, I've typed it out here, but I want to be able to see that here when I run the code. So let's try figuring that out. So I would do for name in names. What do you think this is referring to? For each and every name within name. So what this does is it goes through first name, the second name, and third name. So even if I had maybe a million names or this like 20 names, right? This for loop will should be able to pick up all the names within names. So for name in names, and then for age in ages. Notice something interesting. My first for loop is over here. My second for loop is indented. Well, this is called a nested for loop because this is the first for loop, and then the second for loop happens at the same time. So while I'm getting each name, I'm also getting each age, right? And this is exactly what we want to happen. So when we're at the first time of this loop running, we're at Jennifer this and at the same time, right? Simultaneously. It's not happening after, right? If I did it like this, we would get the names, and after that's done, I would get Jennifer Polka Bezos. Then I would get 20, 52, 46. But no, we want to get Jennifer and 20, Polka and 50 and 52, Bezos 46. So that's why we would do this, okay? And then I can print name, age. So this will get the name and we'll get the age at the same time and print them like that. And if we want, we can put a comma, we can have a dash like this, right? What do you think the output is going to be? Boom, we get Jennifer 20, Jennifer 52, but this is not what we want. We got each name with each age, okay? That's not what we want. Instead, we would like these two to come at the same time. Okay, so a better way to do this is we can do something like this. We can add both of the lists, okay, and um, hmm, okay, I have an idea. So since there are two in here, right? 0, 1, 2. Okay, so I can do for x in range 2, print x. So this will print all the numbers from 0 to 2, right? But now I want it to be till 4. I want it to be till 3, so I get all the indexes. Okay, this is what we should get. So 0, 1, 2, that corresponds to 0, 1, 2. The same thing over here. Now I can print names at x, and I can print names, ages at x. Okay, and boom, I get Jennifer 20, Polka 50, Bezos 52, the way I wanted it to be. Maybe you can add this if we want to. And boom, we got what we wanted. Jennifer 20, Polka 52, Bezos 46. Okay, so that is what I want to cover this video. And of course, if we just wanted all the names, we could go like this and what you can do is you can get the index of ages, right? So you could do ages.index. You could do names.index of the name, right? What this will do is it'll get this. So when I met Jennifer, it's going to get 1. When I met Polka, it's going to get, sorry, it's going to get 0, then 1, then 2, right? Now, this is the same position here. So now you could get ages at the index of the name. So this will get the corresponding name and ages. Now, this is a tab character, so it'll just be 4 slices to the right. Now, boom, we got the same thing. Jennifer, 20, Polka, 52, base 46. That is what I want to cover in this video. With that said, I will see you guys in the next one.